My name is Fretta Roberto. I am the president of OMG. We are in the business for 51 years. It's a thermoforming machine, very special for thermoplastic material. But we agree with Milliken to have polypropylene working during the show. So it's designed and customized for make this material. We produce trays for vegetable in ultra clear polypropylene with a thickness of 0.45. That is looking very near to the PET.
NX Ultra Clear PP offers nowadays a glass clear transparency comparable to APET as well as polystyrene. Thanks to the lower density of NX Ultra Clear PP, a converter can actually produce much more parts and trays out of 1 kilogram material. Further on, we can say that PP parts are much more easy to seal and also offer a much better sealing performance than, for example, PET trays. Another advantage we have with this is the hot fill application as well as the microwavability and retort application you can have with PP versus PET.